Right, hello everyone, we're back today with the Felony. Gonna give it another rip on the car park. We've made a few little adjustments to the car. Basically we've had to loosen this steering joint here just to get that wheel to sit flush with the other wheel, to sit flat. We did have a little impact yesterday over here and we ripped the front skid plate off, but we've managed to attach that with some smaller screws. So we're going to see how that goes. And yeah, it's time to give it a rip basically. So let's turn her on. We're going to see if the steering is a little bit straighter, more true. Because yeah, I felt like it was a little bit jittery last time. So that's all on. Get the front shell on. Now, a little tip with the front shell on this car: if you lift the car up, you've got to wrap it round underneath the vehicle to get it to sit flush. I've seen a lot of people not putting it on properly, the shell, before they go for a rip. Get these in. Makes it much easier to get these in. Right, let's see what she's like. Oh yeah, when it had its little crash yesterday, also it nudged the motor. So the motor mesh went dead tight with the center diff. So now we've loosened it off and we're going to test it. Let's see. Steering feels nice, going nice and straight. Whoom, still going quick, guys, and it's running really nice and true. Don't need to do much adjustments now. There she goes. Whoom. Wow. Right, we're just going to set a few minute timer on the watch. Let's set the watch. Here we go. And we're just going to give it a 10-minute solid run. Here we go. Get a bit of a drift on down there. Yeah, running nice. Wow. Whoa, it's so quick, guys. I've never had a car that goes anywhere near this quick. Still warming up the tyres. But yeah, it's handling really nice. Oh, look at that skidding there. Let's warm these tyres up a bit. Give it a bit of a drift. Right, that's the tyres warm. Sounding smooth. Here we go. Wow. Nice steady braking at the end there. Here we go again. Oh. So quick. Oh, we need to get a GPS speedo really as quick as possible. See how quick we're actually going here. Whoa, that is just epic speed. So steady as well at that 60 miles an hour mark. Oh, That's when you kick it in, guys. Let's bring it up slow, and then we'll kick it in round about here. Watch this. Coming up slow, and then kick it in. Oh yes, the power's immense when you kick that throttle down. Very manageable though. Just goes like a bullet, and we've really dialed it in now, guys. It's super straight, super stable. When it came out of the box, it wasn't quite like this, but that is running nice. I don't like the fact that I've had to pull the arm out from the A-arm, but you know, if it makes it run straight, what can I do? Ooh, epic speed. Oh yes, heavy braking there. Great handling. You can just sweep that front end wherever you want. Oh, sheer power from the Felony. Oh, big stone there, made it jump. Lovely, guys. Wow, it's just holding so straight there now. Here we go. Oh, that is just epic power and speed, guys. Turning circles very wide when you're at speed. Shrinks down, obviously, when you slow down. Oh, look at the straightness of that, guys. I'm really impressed with my fixes. Okay, let's see what she can do in slow-mo. Oh, that is amazing. Oh. Yeah. Right, that's enough slow-mo. Here we go. Right, couple more speed runs, guys, and then we're out of here. We've committed our felony and we'll get out of here. Ooh. Heavy, heavy, like squirming under braking. Oh yes. Right, two more. Wow, last one, here we go. Oh yes, guys, amazing. The Felony, absolutely loving it, guys. Really is a quality machine. So there's our rip for the day. We'll shut this down, we'll get the batteries charged, then we'll get out with the EXB. Everything looking good. Nice. I did want to test the smart telemetry, but that's not even on this remote, so we don't have to worry about that. All right, unplugger. Batteries are still flat. Everything's good. Let's get it in the car. Some serious excitement for Sunday morning, guys. Oh, it was absolutely amazing. Every time you get on the throttle on this thing, it's just a sheer delight. Everything feels nice and warm. Let's see the tyres. Yep, tyres are nice and warm. The car's performing well, even though it had a big shunt. Oh, that was annoying. Right, so the car's in there nicely, guys. Shut the remote down. There goes my timer. We'll stop that. So yeah, yesterday, guys, I noticed that this wheel was sort of, the camber was way too steep. So I've loosened it off at the top and set it a bit straighter on the road to match the other tyre. It's running really nice and true, perfect. I did, when I sort of made the adjustments, I tightened up the knuckles in here that connect the wheel, like the wheel connectors. And I tightened up the Allen keys in there, and I did do it a bit too tight. So when I took it out for its first test run, I went to turn and the servo obviously couldn't turn, and then it rammed it across and skidded out the car. So we actually took quite a big impact to this rear wheel here. Now the rear wheel seems to be fine, thank God. We'll order some spares anyway, just for having a set of spares, because these are going down pretty quick. But yeah, the car seems to have handled it really well. Still pretty tough in there. Let's just see. Yeah, still pretty tough. And yeah, didn't seem to do any damage. It did hit at like 30 miles an hour, like boom into the curb like that. But yeah, so pretty impressed so far with the Felony, guys. Tough machine, fast machine, and a fun machine overall. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to support the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.